this one, the one I go first. So for all of you who know exact where you're gonna place your crystal is, I think it's great. But if you are not sure, you can absolutely uplines like me. It doesn't take so much time, but I blend them all nice, so it's not looks like it bulky or thicker than usually. Actually, it's not. It's just to make sure that I can get to crystal of wherever I want, because sometimes I decide to get the crystal on some space, some spot, and then I change my mind and add more on it. You know me, it's like I always add more than I supposed to. So don't forget to no white top coat, the no white and condensed glue gel unclear, which is I didn't put any clear, or I didn't key it yet. And we're gonna floating on the top. I'm so excited. So we're trying to go by theme now, so everyone can have fun name the set, and that's gonna be so much fun. And sorry. Yes, Mamita, thank you so much. This one, like, you can leave it like this. You can do it in like in different way. So let's see what I have it in here. I really like this though. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Ah, so adorable. I think I need my white opal right there. Right there. Right. Can you, right here? Please, thank you. Sorry. I have so many. I picked few of them today to feature this, because a lot of you were asking how I can do this. Pink one is fine. There's a lot of them there. I think I need the white one. Oh, right here. Sorry. Gotcha. So you can do kind of a contrast color to really like incorporate together. So if you are not sure like how you can place your crystals, this is really simple concept. As long as you get them really close together, they should be able to turn out really nice, I promise. One of my charms right there. Can you get me my charms section right there? This one right here. Another one, sorry. No, down here. Sorry, I just organize everything that I have organized on the one side. That's why when I ship a little bit, this one right here. When I changing my mind for a different color for you, then I have to get the new one out. So bear with me, because this is happened at the salon too. Have you ever had that? Like the clients doing it one, oh Nancy, can you add this one on instead of that? I said sure. So I'll just go with the flows, because that's make it really cool, the client's happy, and guess what? They love it, and they are doing it more, and they give you good tips. Just try the starfish, but it's not. I will promise to just do this part first. It's really simple, right, everyone? Alright. I'm gonna put some beads on it. If your clients don't want beads on, it's absolutely fine. You can just like place the crystal on, organize it, and like adjusting it, make sure they are closed tight together, and cure for 60 seconds using precision glue to double secure, and they are good to go. But if they want to like make it really like a fun, like a fancy fun nails, you can absolutely do something to make it like more dramatic, I guess. I don't know how you call that, like fancier. I know, have you ever like have a clients get it and then they will like, oh, can you add this one more, or can you add more crystal on it? That's sure. So if they are prepaying it, they usually just pay the difference of what they are have the balance left. That's all. That's how we do with our clients. We're not gonna say no to them, but if our time frame allow, then we are create something is like more for them. So let me clear this one if you're happy with this, because I try not to like take away from that. Hold on, I got something that I really want to. Here is this one. My shells. Can you able to find me another one here?
Sure.
A shell like that. I think it's in here.
A small shell?
Yeah. It's cool. Ooh. There's so many of them in here. Well, I mean, there's a bigger one. There's another set of it. I need a smaller one. Definitely. It's funny because today is weird because I have two things. Alright, it's okay. Don't have it. I found something alternate. Not a big deal. Good. Okay. Alright, if I'm happy with this, clear this one. Before that, you're gonna adjusting it, make sure all your crystals are closed tight together. This is really simple. You got to see me doing live, so then you get some preference of the technique. When you get to your clients, it take you like no time. You can get this in like no problem at all. And it just take a little bit longer because, of course, customer changing their mind, and then we're changing a different. So I'm not using a piece of paper. Do not using your raw hand. If you are on gloves, you have gloves on, then you can wipe with your gloves. But if not, using a piece of paper, so then you don't have is like your hand touching on the unclear products. And then if you're happy with this, I love it that how this piece of metal art I'm charm is so cute. It has a crystal along on the side. So obsessed with this. I want to wear that on my nails. Here for 60 seconds. Oh, this one I've been waiting for.